Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen reviews like room size, type, review, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold the amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The reviews of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, you can contact us by commenting below. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So thanks for the video. If you forgetting to safety happy.